Okay, I wanted to give you some quick instructions to help you be able to answer these questions. So you have choice. You can either use the same website that we were just using, that's this one here, or if this one wasn't working for you, the one function don't like about this one is that you can't copy and paste the tiles. If you can figure out a way to copy and paste them, please let me know because I haven't been able to. So I made an alternative option on the following slides 12 and 13. So when you click over here, you'll see that there is an equation mat that looks very much like this one. It is locked in place, you can't move it, but what you can move are these algebra tiles that I made. You can copy and paste them really easily. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. So I'm going to model a possible solution for the first question for you if you want. If you don't want to see this, you don't have to keep watching. So I'm going to lay out three X tiles, positive X tiles, in the first mat here. So I want you to think to yourself right now, what do these three green tiles, three green tiles represent? Clip those together. Get rid of one. Okay. And then I'm going to add two plus ones over here. I'm just making up this equation, and then I'll work through the solution. And then I'm going to put 8 yellows on the right side of the equal sign. So Control C, and then 1, Control V, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to match them up, remember, with the green tiles. So I'm just going to do like a 1-for-1 and then see what I have left over. So 1 for the top one, 1 for the middle one, 1 for the bottom one, 1 for the top one, 1 for the middle one, and then 1 for the bottom one. This works out because then you'll see that I have 2 yellow that need to match up with 2 yellow over here. So again, remember, once you have the equal number of tiles for each of your X tiles, you've actually solved the equation. So in this case, my answer is X equals 2. And the question also asked me to share some of my thinking. So I'm done with these now, so I'm just going to kind of move them out of the way. And I'm going to put my thinking in a text box over here. So I'm going to say that the equation I chose was 3x, that's those 3 green bars, plus 2, that's these, equals 8. The solution I have is x equals 2, and then I'm going to show that. So I have, we'll let x equal 2, and then we will do our equation, 3 times 2 plus 2 equals 8. Well, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 equals 8. 8 equals 8. So I found my solution. I'm just going to go back and double check that I answered everything. So I modeled the equation. It had fewer than 15 tiles. So this one had 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that worked. I chose an equation that required a 1 tile on both sides. Yep, there's a couple over here and 8 over here. I solved my equation. So I did that when I said x equals 2. And I checked my solution by using substitution back into my equation for the x that I chose.